In today's video, let me quickly show you the way that you change the Netflix video quality setting. Welcome back to a new video on Halgenic. If you're currently working with a poorer quality and if you want to increase the quality of your videos inside of Netflix, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. From the homepage of your Netflix app, make sure you head over to the profile section, which is on the top right of the screen. Once you're inside of the profile section, you're going to see a few options. You'll need to head over to the option which is the app settings. So tap on the app settings option, and right here inside of app settings, inside of downloads, you'll see the option called video quality. Make sure you tap open this option so that you can change the option. There are two options that you can choose from, the standard and the higher option. By default, it would be set to standard. Now, if you want to increase the quality of your videos, make sure you select it to higher. This way, the video quality inside of your Netflix will be changed from standard to a higher quality. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.